Hello, welcome to SkipperBud's. My name is Mike, and today we're going to look at the 2022 Starcraft CX23 DL Bar Tri-Toon. One of the most unique layouts we offer here at SkipperBud's, and definitely a boat to come look at. So we kind of walk in the boat, you see the CX furniture, very, very high Helm back, very, very plush interior with your inset cup holders. And this is in gray. It is also available in a tan. This specific boat just happens to be gray. You have a changing room as well. That's standard on this specific boat. Very, very nice if you have young kids. Just get them out of the swimsuits when you're down on the water, just to get dry clothes on. Kind of see in the floor here, you have your in-floor storage. So get all your wet stuff down there, just so you're not bringing all your skis, wet vests, ropes, etc. into the boat. So very, very nice feature in this specific Tri-Toon. So we kind of look back at the CX Helm. Very, very nice setup in room for expansion. This right here is actually made for a phone holder. Otherwise, it's made for like a flush mount, fish finder, navigation, just kind of whatever you're looking for. So it's very, very versatile, very, very nice all-around look to it. Does feature JL audio. Phenomenal audio system. Does include zone control as well, so you can kind of control whether you want the speakers going in the front or the back of the boat. Just a matter of how you're entertaining and using the boat that day. This boat does feature a power Bimini, which is actually standard on all the Starcraft except for the narrow beam boats. All standard with a power Bimini. Extremely nice, just to raise and lower the Bimini at a push of a button versus trying to move around and unplug things. We work back, you kind of start to see why it makes this boat unique. You have a little bar console here with storage, cup holders, and it does feature one speaker. And then you have your storage here for all of your bar stools. Right now you can kind of see I have the bar set up, half bar, half lounger. So you can either be in a full bar mode, if you just press the button here. So if you're out with friends and entertaining, a great option, and all the cup holders light. So with the full bar up, just sitting here with 4 friends, just enjoying a cocktail on a dinner cruise or maybe at a sandbar. Otherwise, if you have small kids in the boat that day, you just press a button and you're back to a full lounge. I won't put this one down just because the bar stools are here, but it's a very, very great option, and this backrest kind of flip-flops and back as well depending on how you're using the boat. You do have the safety enclosure here, so it makes it legal to sit back here well underway, and then you have the nice swim platform off the back for tons of jumping and playing. This boat does feature a Mercury 150 4-stroke, more than enough power for this boat. It's a great layout. It's extremely unique, especially to Starcraft. I would check it out today here if you watch the showroom.